Okay, what is going on, Trader Society? We are here on the Euro British Pound chart on the daily time frame. And as you can see, price has currently broken out of this trend that happened for the past couple of weeks now. As you can see, it has broken through this area for this major support resistance area on the daily time frame, and it even retested it, and now it's currently going in a downtrend. So be right now we're pretty much just in the trend of the in the result of the head and shoulders pattern. So as you can see here, the what has pretty much happened here, the head and shoulders. So now let's go to a lower time frame, to the 4-hour time frame. And there you can pretty much see the resemblance right there. I mean, pretty much what has happened in that move. And it even pretty much has pretty much has followed the head and shoulders pattern to a T. And now it's time to start putting down some of our lesser time frame support resistance areas. And I'm also gonna start a new channel, put a trend line down here, start a new channel. Because as you can see, price has pretty much started a new trend in the downtrend. So when I'm taking a look at this with where price is going, as I see right here, it pretty much has been like rejected from from this resistance area. It tested it, and then it has rejected it, and it was rejected. And next, it's about to pretty much test itself against this channel here. So what we're pretty much looking for is for price to either break through this. Okay, I'm gonna, we're pretty much waiting for a price to break through this. I'm gonna change this. We're waiting for price to break through, test for this for this channel area right here, for the this trend line, and be supported, and then break through. But if it actually just tests against the trend line itself, I'm going to change this to a just a lighter blue. If it just pretty much just tests against this trend line here, and only tests against the trend line, then you can pretty much expect that it's going to continue this trend back to the downside. So pretty much that. So yeah, all in all, right now, as you can see, it's currently in a downtrend right now. It pretty much has come out of the head and shoulders pattern that has just occurred. And next, after that, once when I had pretty much retested the daily resistance, then you see here, it has gone to the downside, and then it has been resisting for the downside ever since. The next thing to be looking for is pretty much for it to either break out of this trend, retest it from the trend, and then continue to go through. And then after that, if it does not actually go through that transition, if it actually tests on the trend here, on the trend line here, and is rejected, then you can expect that it's going to just continue the trend and continue back to the downside. So yeah, that's pretty much the analysis here for the Euro British Pound analysis here. And yes, thank you very much. Have a nice day.